Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research. Try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Ard Al Zaafaran. Although technically it's not a house, it's a brand, but it's under umbrella of the big company which owns Latafa, Al Zaafaran, and many other fragrance brand from United Arab Emirates, from Middle East. So Ard Al Zaafaran, they are one of those brands that they get mentioned in the community, but they don't get that much mention. The reason is because some of the fragrances are hit and miss. Some of them are very good, excellent. Some of them are okay. So that's why they are one of those that you have to know which one to buy. It's not like you go for any of them and they are good. So this one in particular is called Lord, and it's a perfume 100 ml. This one is not easy to find in United Kingdom. For some reason it's quite hard to find. I bought it under £20. For that price, you need to do your research. You need to be patient to find it and buy it. If you want to buy it right away, I think it's a little bit more expensive, maybe around £30 to £40. I paid less than £20 for it right now. If you go to I think there's a seller on eBay United Kingdom, he's selling it for under £20, I think. Don't quote me on that, do your research. Anyway, so without further ado, let's do this. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. Your finger can do wonders. Your help, your motivation, your encouragement will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this video with others. This way you help me a lot, and I appreciate that. Okay guys, thank you. Let's go. So big box as always. Middle Eastern fragrances give you everything plus the kitchen sink. Sorry about the noise. Very nice presentation as always. Yeah, and the bottle is gorgeous, beautiful. Look at that, just amazing. Very good looking. The cap is plastic. Here we go. Very good atomizer. Okay, so how is the Ard Al Zaafaran Lord? The perfume 100 ml is targeted unisex. If you hear any background noise, I apologize for that. It's the next door neighbor. They are still having this building work. It's been there for months and months. I'm fed up of it, but I apologize. I cannot do anything about it. Sorry about that. Okay, here we go. Yes. Smells delicious. It smells gorgeous. Oh, big rose. So it's you need to like your rose. It's a big rose in here. Big oud as well. So it's like a combination of oud and rose, but it's many other facets. So it's not just rose and oud and everything else in the background. I can smell a big dose of spiciness, especially something like a cumin in here. It's very spicy. So apart from the rose and the oud, it is a big spice in here. It's got a green aspect to it, which could be vetiver. It's like quite a greenness to it, and like a grassy feel to it as well. It's got a big dose of florals apart from the rose. I can smell something like a jasmine. It's a white floral dominant, so it's got a white floral. It could be jasmine, it could be lily of the valley, giving it a little bit of that powderiness as well. It's a little bit of smokiness coming from something like incense. So it's quite incensey and spicy, and it's big floral. It's very, very woody. Obviously that woodiness comes from the oud, but the oud here is quite a safe oud, is a palatable oud, is a very friendly oud. It's not barnyard, it's not fecal, it's not funky or anything like that. Very, very safe oud, very warm, basically very gooey, very, very resinous at the moment. I smell some sweetness, which is most likely to be from vanilla, because it's quite sweet. Between 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, this is around 7 to 8, so it's quite sweet. You need to have your sweet tooth. Well, this is for a first impression. First, maybe it will develop later and becomes less sweet. I have to report back to development, longevity, and things like that. But for first impression, absolutely gorgeous. It smells much more expensive than I paid for it. I paid less than £20 for it. Smells £100 plus. Yes, smells very, very high class, very high perfumery, and it smells very, very expensive. Let's about muskiness, musky feel to it at the moment as well. Little bit, just clean musk again. There's nothing overpowering, but overall, so big on the oud, but the oud is friendly. Big on the rose, but again, it's not a typical rose oud combo, because there are so many other facets like the spiciness, the incense, the big floral, and also it's very, very resinous. It's very sweet from vanilla, so it's quite complex, and it's got some musky feel to it as well. So it's very, very complex. It's very well done. Well done, Ard Al Zaafaran, for making such a pretty. I've been looking to get this for ages. I was very, very patient. I was looking for it every now and then I found it a few days ago and I went for it. So if you've been looking forward to getting this is the time to go and do it. As I said, there is one seller on eBay, if it's still there. As I said, don't quote me on that. It's bang in the middle. Men and women can wear it. It's very warm. It's very quite sweet. It's very inviting. It's very friendly. It's very sensual. It's very date nighty smell to it. It's like going out with somebody on a date. It's beautiful. It's very, very opulent. So this is definitely for going out, for opulent, for evening, for formal occasion and things like that. This smells very, very expensive. Amazing. I absolutely loving it. It's got a big leather aspect to it as well. It's coming up now, so at the moment it's quite leathery as well, so I have to let you know the development and the changes you will go through, if there are some changes, and also the longevity. But right now it's feeling the room, feeling the house with the 3 sprays, so I'm expecting it to last a good amount of time, and projection is heavy right now. But this is definitely for 25 and up, to be on the safe side, because it's very, very complex. It's very oriental. It's very Eastern perfumery, and it's very complex, and it's very layered. It's very multifaceted, and also this is better suited for cooler weather, where you can rock it all year round if you want. In summer less, in winter more. And I let you know the rest of the story of this fragrance in the next video. But for first impression, first sniff, yes, 2 thumbs up. I'm loving it, and I am very, very happy with it. Okay guys, as always, don't forget to hit those buttons to help me, to encourage me and motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate it very much. If you want to buy one of my own fragrances, they're out of this world. They are super artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I'll leave them in the links as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.